Good day everyone, my name is Jessica Camara. So today, we are going to tackle about the language and other communication system, animal and machine. We also get to know the relationship of linguistic variation to social and cultural diversity. It is likewise a very interesting and important topic to discuss something about animals and machines as another language or system of communication. With this, we will have an added understanding and distinction of human language versus animal system of communication and get some understanding about computer language and how humans communicate with machines as they are now vital parts of our more and more advancing society. If someone asked what separates human from other animals, one of the first things that would probably come to mind is language. Language is so fundamental to human life that it is hard to imagine what is what life would it be or without it. In fact, the original term for language referred to it as a part of the body language is derived from the Latin word lingua, which means tongue. Animals communicate. Animals communicate using signals which can include visual, auditory, or sound-based chemical involving pheromones or tactile touch-based communication behaviors can help animals find mates, establish dominance that define territory, coordinate group, and care for young. Example of animals have a great communication skills are elephants engage in long distance calls, and also we can't hear them but bats talk to each other. Animals generally communicate using four methods, which are the visual, auditory, tactile, and chemical. Visual communication. Visual communication for animals comes in two forms, the badges and displays. Badges, the colors and shape of the animals or structural adaptations such as the bright yellow feathers of the male American goldfinch. The bright colors tells a prospective mate that the mate is a suitable choice, while displays are the behavior animals exhibit such as the glow of the firefly to attract mates or when a dog wags his tail to let you know that he is happy. Auditory communication. Barking, growling, hissing, and purring are all considered animal auditory communication. Sound can be used to attract mates. For example, dogs bark when approached by a stranger, and dolphins use auditory communication to set themselves apart from others' unique whistle that also helps them locate food. Tactile communication. Like humans, animals can rely on tactile communication, touch to convey messages. Most animals use this form of communication to show affection, comfort of fear, or even to establish dominance. For instance, horses will kick each other to ward off threats or when competing for a mate. Chemical communication. Communication is about pheromones or chemical marketing of some species of animals. They will lead their own scents to make their territories ward off predators or attract a mate. The most well-known example is the skunk spraying. Their signature scents when threatened, and cats will rub against objects to make their territories leaving scent marked from their mouths. How does animal communication works? Animals' communication works using the energetic transference of information, most commonly known as telepathy. Telepathy is the ability of what is someone else's mind to feel their emotional feelings or to communicate with them mentally without using words or other physical gestures. Next is the machine. When we are talking about machines, we're also talking about computers. Machines use telemetry or telematics to connect one another. This is accomplished over wireless networks. Let's talk about the basic types of machine or computer languages. First, the low-level languages are either machine codes or are very close to them. A computer cannot understand instructions given to it in a high-level languages or in English. Two types of low-level languages, the machine and the assembly languages. Second, the high-level languages are basically symbolic language that use English words and mathematical symbols rather than mnemonic codes. Each instruction in a high-level language instructions that the computer can understand. Machine languages. It is describe a process in which two or more computers or devices transfer data, instructions, and information.